Hello, this is how to assemble the A4 printer. This is the A4 printer tray. It can be slide out from the kiosk. This is the power cable and the USB cable. Here it is the paper needle and the sensor. Before you assemble the A4 printer, you need to loose the screws and take it away to assemble the sensor first. Take the paper and the sensor and assemble like this. Then assemble the small plates onto the tray. You need to use a small screwdriver as there is limited space. Cable goes through this hole and connect to the printer. Printer here. Put the printer on the tray and just fasten the 4 screws. 1, 2, and the 2 at the other side. Use this cable manager to fix the cable of the paper needle and the sensor, so it will not loose. Finally, connect the cables. Open the A4 printer. You will see the interface for power and signal.